Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. My dear beloved brothers and sisters, have a look. It's a high building, and my colleague standing in front of the building, and it's a highest building in Sylhet. Look over there. And every day earthquake coming. প্রত্যেক দিন ভূমিকম্প প্রায় হইতেছে. We are facing a very difficult time. That's why we have to be careful. Almighty Allah, please don't take any kind of exam which will be difficult for us. And we know only how to sin, how to do sin, or you know only how to forgive. That's why please forgive us. Please forgive us, all of sinner. And we know you love to forgive. আমরা জানি আপনি ক্ষমা করতে পছন্দ করেন. And please save us every natural disaster, means সকল প্রাকৃতিক দুর্যোগ থেকে আমাদেরকে রক্ষা করুন, আমিন।